Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. For those of you who are new, I'm sorry that this video is going to be such a hot mess and it's not well prepared because this was a very big struggle for me. But the thing is, I barely edit this video, so I do like to leave in the parts where you see I did the braid twice. I didn't like how it came out the first time, but I wanted to show you guys all the mistakes that I did make. You're going to be able to see that in this video. So, you know, I like to keep it real with you guys. If you are new, though, I do hope that you are here to stay and you do subscribe and like this video. I'm going to link down the braided hair that I did use. I have the Amazon link. I'll be putting that in my description. It is this ombre one that I just showed you. It's very long. I really liked it. It's super synthetic, though. So while you're doing this hair, well, braided hair, you know, is not real. But while I was doing this hair, I messed up so much, and it's like you have to get it right the first time or you're just gonna lose out on so much hair. But the good thing is that it does come with 5 packs, so you're able to mess up a few times and go on to the next pack. And I believe it was $20, so that's not so bad. If you guys have any tips for me, please comment down below because I'm actually gonna need them, because I do want to try this out again and really perfect it, because I do love the way that a braided ponytail does look. And at the end of this video, you're gonna notice the bottom of the braid looks super thick, but I did end up putting it in boiling hot water so it could flatten out a bit and it look like much better. I just don't have that. I might have a picture, so if I do, I'm going to insert that as well. But I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate you, love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to turn your post notifications on so you're notified every time I post a video. Bye!